The Russula mushroom. I'm not 100% sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I'm pretty sure it's Russula. I tried Googling it, so hopefully I'm doing it justice. These mushrooms are usually red, yellow, orangey colors with a white stem. For fun, I'm going to be using yellow and green. Yellow stem, green top. You can choose whatever color you'd like. I'm using the Procreate app, and the brushes that I'll be using are pastel-like brushes. So if you have some pastel, grab those. Oil pastel to be exact, or a chalk pastel. There's so many different types. So grab whatever art supplies you feel comfortable with or that you would like to try using. I got my colors. In the comments, let me know what colors you are using because I'm very interested in what are you using to draw, pencil crayons, and so forth. But without further ado, let's get started. I will start with the top. I want to grab yes, I like that color. Like a calm green. And we're gonna start off by drawing a wonky circle. Oh, I guess it's more oval. Ovally circle. Like so, and color that in. Now I'm curious, do you like to eat mushrooms? Some people love mushrooms, some people do not. They don't like the texture, the taste. And I didn't realize how many countries have different types of mushrooms. And sometimes the mushrooms you can buy in Europe, you cannot get here. Just depends where you live. So now that I have my top, we'll add the detail in a second. I'm gonna go to the stems. So the stems are usually white. So maybe you're using fun color construction paper, so you can use white. I'm going to use yellow. Let's see. Yes, I like that yellow. Starting off on the side, coming into the middle like so. So you got 2 lines. And then drawing out the stem. So this mushroom doesn't come down and over, it actually pops up. So this is a stem. And then here we have these textured lines that meet the top. So it almost looks, if you were to pick up this mushroom, that you could put liquid in the middle and it would stay. Almost like a cup. And this section has these grooves. So I will be using the yellow and like a light orange or a darker yellow to help show these grooves with this detail. You can do the same. If you're using markers, just color the whole area one color, grab a darker color, and just add in some lines to show the grooves. Grab that yellow again, and just fill in these blank white spots. And you can add in as many of these lines as you'd like until you're satisfied with how it looks. Beautiful. I like that. I'm gonna grab that original green that I used and just clean up a little bit the detail here, like so. So now we need to grab a darker green to draw here in the center to to make that illusion that it is like a cup. I'm gonna grab a darker green a little bit. And start in the middle. Just draw an oval circle like shape, like so. Just like that. Grab a darker green. Do the same thing in the center. But center lower than the center. So if that's my center, I'm gonna draw that line, that circle about here. And I will draw a half circle. What this does, because you can't see the full circle, gives us that half view. Now it kind of slowly is giving that illusion that I could pour liquid inside and it'd stay. And now I'm going to blend. And the best way to blend pastels is to smudge. So if you're using pastels, you can smudge. If you're not, using markers or crayons, just slowly add more color and between each section, like so, in a circular motion to blend it in, like I am. Original green. And you'll get the correct illusion. Let's see if I can smudge ever so slightly. I like to see the texture, so I'm not going to smudge too much. Just a little bit. Okay, I think I smudged a little too much. I will go back over with the brush to get my texture back. But this is how we create that illusion. Beautiful. And also, these mushrooms have white spots. So I'm not gonna grab pure white, I'll get like a white green. Around the edge. Not in the middle, not like the red cap mushroom. Just ever so slightly around the edge. Like so. Beautiful. I'm gonna color my background pink. I think pink would be fun. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, definitely pink. Send this video to a friend so you guys can each try drawing the Russula mushroom and compare your end results. Beautiful. That looks great. I'm loving that. Make sure to subscribe because we're going to be drawing a mushroom village in a few videos. There we go, our Russula mushroom. Tag me on Instagram so I can see your results, and I'll see you guys in the next video.